I want to offer these tips to you in the event that you are part of a wedding ceremony that will be hosted by someone that is new to the game. First and foremost, go up, introduce yourself, and make sure that you have a conversation with the person that's hosting this ceremony, the officiant in this matter. Make sure that you speak to them about how they are going to run through the overall celebration. You might have to remind them to make sure that they sit people down. I know it might sound crazy to some people watching this, but you wouldn't believe how many weddings that we've been part of where everyone comes in, the couple gets to the front where everything is going to take place, and the officiant is so nervous they're not even aware of what's going on, and they just go into the actual ceremony. Everyone is still standing. Make sure that you remind them of the little things that have to take place and take shape to make this ceremony a success. It's important that you remind the officiant that as he reads the vows and as the couple are giving their vows to each other, that he either directs the microphone over towards the person that's speaking or turns the microphone over to them so that everyone can clearly hear them. The third piece of advice I would offer to everyone is make sure that you go over how they are going to conclude their ceremony, what their last words are going to be before they are presented or their recessional, where you are going to cue the music. It's important that you have this conversation with someone, especially if they're new to the game, because you never know how they're going to go about things and how things are going to end. If you actually have them read their last sentence to you, you are prepared just in case you have to hit the music early or if you have to delay until they actually get out what they need to say. I hope you enjoyed this wedding entertainment tip. I've got some more tips for you. Just either swipe up or check out the next video in the playlist and be on the lookout for more content dripping right here to this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead.